Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make your leave out look just looking very natural and nice. Like, if you don't want to worrying about lace and glue and all that stuff, then this hairstyle is just for you. I am working with UNice HAIR and reviewing a UPartWig. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I laid down my real hair. So if you guys enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe while you're watching so you don't miss out on any of my content. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. Hi guys, so as I told you in the beginning, I'm going to be reviewing this UPartWig from UNice HAIR. So this package came with some nails, a wig cap, a scarf, and some eyelashes. Here is the wig right here. They packaged it in some plastic, and I'm just going to take out the tissue and show you guys how it's looking. This wig is super silky. It has a nice amount of shine to it, and it doesn't smell, which I really like. Here is how the U part is looking. It's just attached by these two threads, and it's really nice because it's not like just a track right there. They actually overlaid some hair so it looks more natural. This wig has a total of 6 combs in it, just to keep everything secure and in place. And then it also has these little elastic bands with the hooks in the back to make the wig snug around your head. And one thing about UNice HAIR is it never stinks. I haven't had any issues with it stinking. It always has a nice pleasant smell. So I have already braided up my hair, and I left this front piece out as leave out, and also these side pieces are leave out as well. And the back of my hair is just all braided up for my wig, and this I'm showing you is like my anchor braid to secure the combs on. So I'm going to proceed by cutting off this fabric that's holding the U part together, just because it's not necessary, we don't need it. Then I'm going to put the wig on my head and secure it with the combs around my anchor braid and also just around the perimeter of my head. After I have the wig secured on my head, I'm going to be using some of this BioSilk therapy just to add some silkiness to this wig. A little bit of this goes a long way, so you really don't need too much of it. I'm going to take the product and just apply it evenly throughout the hair, and it just gives a nice silky texture to it, and also helps when you flat iron it as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron this hair. I'm going to set my flat iron to approximately 430 degrees and just flat iron it straight. Alrighty, so this is how the hair is looking after I've straightened the whole wig. Okay, so now I'm going to tie back my hair so that way I can flat iron my leave out. I'm going to unbraid my braids that I designated as my leave out pieces. I'm going to take my spray bottle and spray out my natural hair because I'm going to blow dry it straight, and you always want your hair to be damp before you blow dry it. I'm going to add some BioSilk to my natural hair because I also want that to be silky. Then I'm going to spray some of this IC Fantasia heat protector to my natural hair because you always want to protect your natural hair from heat. Then I'm just going to continue to blow dry my hair out so that way this creates a nice base for the flat iron. After I'm done blow drying my hair, I'm just going to continue to flat iron it, and I still have it set on 430 degrees, and I'm just going to flat iron my hair until it's all straight. After my hair is straightened, I'm going to be using this KeraCare wax stick to apply on my leave out. So you just take the stick and then rub it on your leave out pieces. This is just going to give it like a loose hold and help it to lay down better. I'm going to take the comb and rub the product evenly throughout my leave out so that way it doesn't look all patchy in one area. Once I have it rubbed in, I'm going to be using my edge booster edge control to lay down my edges and just give a natural baby hair look. Okay, so now that I'm pretty much done with my edges and my leave out, I'm just going to add a few curls into it just to help blend my leave out a little bit better. So I'm just going to do like a very loose curl, almost like a beach effortless wave curl, nothing too serious. So you could stop here, or you could add on one of these cute and trendy headbands. I love this style so much, and it'll just help make it look more natural. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know of future videos you would like to see from me. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.